What's up, everybody? Welcome to another episode of $20 Chef. Today it's poker night at my house, okay? I got a bunch of friends coming over. I'm planning on taking all their money, but at least I'm gonna be a gentleman and feed them. So I'm gonna do something super easy, something I really enjoy doing. Crunchy ass, delicious pork cutlets. And then on the side, I'm gonna do a nice spicy green beans. I'm gonna throw some shallots in there. Obviously some sweet onions, little red pepper flakes because we're not soft. I'll also throw in some bell peppers. King of useless talents, coming in hot. I didn't want to do that when I was younger, be in front of people because then they'd say I belong in the circus and then the eye jokes would start flying. And next thing you know, your boy's fucking throwing blows. But obviously, before we get started on our side dish and our pork cutlets, I can't have a poker night without a good clean glass of Admiral Nelson's premium spiced rum. You could always go with the pineapple, the cherry spice, the coconut, the 101 proof. But I'm gonna go ahead and stick with this tonight. I'm real big on cocktails that are smooth and bold. I like to mix my Admiral Nelson's premium spiced rum with a clean, solid, delicious, unnamed cola. All right, out the gate, we're gonna prep our pork chops here. I'm gonna put these little cuts in them so they don't curl up. This is at least that's what the guy in the Japanese video said to do, so that's what I'm gonna do. Again, I didn't go to culinary school, okay? Real chefs are watching real chefs do real chef stuff. That ain't this show. So I don't know, I'm pretty sure that no real chef's actually that butthurt about this whole operation here. All right, now I'm gonna flip our knife over and bang these shits out a little bit. Get it good in there, dude. Look at that. Nice little meat beating sesh. Salt and pepper on these bitches. One hand on the meat, one hand on the spices. All right, we're gonna flour up all of our guys here. Make sure you got all sides. Get all that excess flour off. Now, a couple episodes ago, we made breakup chili. Maybe we could call this the rebound cutlet. We're in here just trying to get our life back on track. If you live in a small town, you better brace yourself because you're probably gonna run into your lady while she's at a bar with her new dude, you know, all hugged up. Be a good dude though. Don't do no bad shit. Here we go. Right into the egg, top of that flour, right into our panko. Get a nice layer going. We're gonna let it sit out for a couple of minutes here. Let's start throwing some green beans in. Couple of minutes on this. I clearly put way too many green beans in this water, but who gives a shit, man? Worst things have happened in my life. All right, let's start going with these cutlets. Let me get my sweet ass chopsticks. This is one of my favorite drunk Amazon purchases, one of these big ass chopsticks. You can flip stuff around in the oil and shit. That's how the Japanese fools do it when I watch them on YouTube, so that's what I wanted to do. All right, here we go. Let's start it off. Don't be fucking with it. Don't be playing around with it and touching it, okay? You will touch it one time. That's about 4 minutes in to flip it over, okay? And that's it. We got it nice and brown, ready to flip. Couple minutes, going to go right into that pan. All right, get yourself a little bowl with some ice cubes. I'm gonna throw my green beans in there to stop them cooking. All right, let's get our first two out. If you're not good with chopsticks, dude, just use tongs, bro. Two more cutlets coming in hot. All right, let's get these green beans out of here. Strain them out first. And get them in your little ice bath. I want them to stop cooking, because next I'm gonna do is chop up these vegetables. We're gonna fry them all together. We're gonna have a little sauce. Soy sauce, red chili flakes, and brown sugar mixed up. After we brown and cook our vegetables there, throw the sauce in there. We're styling and profiling. All right, boom, real quick, coming in hot. Boom, more onion, cutting it up. Some deliciously fresh onion. Boom, let's get this pan rocking and rolling. You're multitasking, look at you. You're ready to go start your job at Applebee's right now as a line cook. All right, these are ready to go. Good and crispy. A good clean panko base. I feel better when I cook stuff like this. I don't know what it is. I feel like I'm accomplishing more even though I'm really not, and it's a really quick and easy meal. Let's just get a pot going here of all our vegetables about to cook up. I'm gonna throw in a couple of red bell peppers and a green one. Get some nice color going here. What was that?
Holy shit.
What was that? We don't know what the hell just happened. We think a spaceship just interfered with our radio frequencies, but we're gonna keep it moving here. We're multitasking. We don't got no time to question our existence in the universe. Let's get these onions going. Man, I was drunk as shit at the racetrack this week watching airplanes race each other, and this cool ass dude was there selling these money ass cutting boards that he makes with hands. Drunk me had to buy a $70 cutting board, I guess, because I got it like that when I'm hammered. Here's what you've been practicing for, big dog. You got this going on. You got this going on. We got one more round of these cutlets. All right, in this bowl right here, we're gonna go soy sauce. All right, brown sugar in. Let's see, that looks like enough. We're winging it tonight, folks. You know how we do. And obviously red pepper flakes coming in hot. Booze, ladder cam. There it is. Get a nice sauce going here. Get the sugar mixed in nice. Booze, ladder cam again. Veggies going in off my new $80 cutting board. Support small business. Strain out your green beans. Let's go. Cutlets are done. One of your fat friends is gonna sit around and eat all this until it's gone. That's a guarantee. All right, cutlets are here, ready to rock and roll. Look at that, nice and crispy, looking delicious. I'm gonna put a little hoisin sauce and some hot sauce on the side just to try them both. All right, we got our sauce. Get it all over your vegetables here. There it is. So look, obviously we're gonna throw a little more red pepper flakes because we ain't soft. Get them over here too. Time to get a little refresher. Let's wrap this up. Hey, before the turn card, can you pass the Admiral Nelsons? I need something a little smooth and bold in my life right now.
I am officially out. Chris is in. Anyone else? You're calling Chris all in.
Oh, you calling him? Oh shit.
And I've raised you 200.
Will's out.
Bold. Butcher's out.
I got it. I'm in.
Is that a fucking parking
got?
meter? Kid hit chips. Full house.
You lost to the meter.
I thought we were playing dominoes.
Boom. I'm tired of winning money. I need more fuel, burn more energy at the table. Time to eat, boys. Come on over. At least you got a little bit of food with all that lost money. That's this episode of the $20 Chef. See you guys next week.